Are you tired of expensive furniture and accessories that break the bank? Introducing the Grace Tour, your gateway to affordable, high-quality furnishings. We bring you a unique opportunity to discover a world of exquisite furniture and accessories at prices you won't believe. Immerse yourself in a captivating journey across luxurious furniture pieces, vibrant cultures, and countries around the world. Get ready for unbelievable savings with jaw-dropping discounts like you've never seen. When you arrive at our hand-picked destination, specially chosen for its exceptional furniture offerings, you can rest assured, as our dedicated local manager will be at your service around the clock, ensuring a seamless and comfortable experience. Embark on a furniture adventure like no other as you explore the most exciting destinations, all while getting the furniture that you need. Your guide will communicate with sellers on your behalf, securing the best deals for you. And a comfortable air-conditioned car will be at your disposal to drive you anywhere. When you're satisfied with your choices and have made a deposit, we'll take care of everything else. We'll drive you back to the airport and ensure you're safely checked into your flight. In your absence, we'll oversee the production of your order, providing photo reports at each stage to ensure the highest standards of quality control. When your order is ready, our logistics team will carefully pack, transport, and deliver it to your door. Ready to embark on a furniture shopping experience of a lifetime? Visit our website, leave your contact details, and unlock a world of affordable luxury with the Grace Tour.